Hi! In this video, I will demonstrate a solution where your customers will be able to calculate prices on the fly and order such complex products as window sills, stovepipe caps, various roofing elements, and ventilation products. So here's how it works. When I'm navigating to the website of the company that creates these types of products, I can see a variety of options to choose from. Even the products are within the same category, they may have a slightly different design. So let me choose the window sill example here, and I'm clicking on the very first record in this row. As you can see, there are various input fields that I can actually customize. So let's say 600. The price slightly increases, and the price calculation is actually highly accurate and calculated with the help of individual formula that is linked to this product. I can also change the coating type and color, and the price will also be updated automatically. And another cool feature here is that I can switch to the 3D mode. Now let me show you how things look on the backend side of this solution. When I go to this extension called 3D Factory and navigate to the product list, and let me type the window sill type 1 to find that very product that I was referring to earlier. Here, when I scroll a little bit down, I can see the sketch drawing of this window sill. And basically there are different lines with labels that are actually used to generate those input fields for the customers to enter their sizes. And let's say when I'm in the drawing mode, I can add another line. So when I created this line, I can see it is added into the list of my input fields. When this input field is added, it's actually converted into a variable that can be used in the equation to calculate the footage and also the price of this product. For example, to calculate the footage of this product, I simply combine together input fields A, B, C and multiply it by L, which is the length of this product. Let's get back to the sketch. We have this small thing here that equals to 10 millimeters. Then I add A, B, and C and multiply it by L. In such a way, I can calculate the consumption of the actual material that is needed for this product. And eventually, the formula price is basically the same. I'm calculating the footage in millimeters, then converting it into square meters by dividing by 1 million and multiplying by coding and the margin prices. So coding and margin are another variables. Let's say I'm switching my coding type to Ting and the price is way lower than it was previously. Now let me show you how these prices are defined. When I go back to the product editing page and scroll up, I can click on 3D Factory and then go to the settings dashboard. I can see how all of the prices for all the coding types are defined on the backend. In such a way, by customizing the price for the square meter and using it as a variable in the formula, I can easily calculate the price for the product on the fly. And I can also allow the customers to order this product by using the e-commerce solution of the Kenzap cloud. Alright, I think that was a good introduction for this solution. And in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your message in the comment section below. And you can also find a link for this solution where you can learn more about all these capabilities and reach us directly for the consultation. And as always, hit us like and subscribe to this channel so we can create better products and content for you in future. Thank you for watching.